I have the Nintendo Switch. Let me show you how to install Asphalt 9 Legends for free. So what you want to do is go to the eShop. With the eShop open, just go to the search function and look for Asphalt. Asphalt 9, and then search. And from the results, you should see the game there, and you can actually see it says free download, which means the game is free for download. So just tap on it to open its own page, and then tap on free download, and that should download the game onto your Nintendo Switch. Okay, just confirm by tapping on free download, and it should start. So it says thank you, it's now downloading. You can just close the eShop and even go home, and you should see the progress of the download on your screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.